Hi, Anthony.
Hi.
Okay, today we're going to do an assessment that's going to test your strategy knowledge, okay, or your strategy for solving problems. If you want to go ahead and grab out 8 counters for me, please. Okay, I see that you grabbed 4 and 4. Why did you do that?
It'll help me count it better by splitting it into 2 groups of 4.
So it's easier to count that way?
4 plus 4 plus 8.
Okay. Okay. You hold out your hands like this for me, please. Please back up here, yeah. So in this hand, I'm going to put 6 counters. In this hand, I'm going to put 2 counters. How many counters are you holding? Keep your hands closed. How many counters are you holding together? You have 6 in here and 2 in here.
Okay, 8.
8. How did you know it was 8?
It was just simple addition for me.
Okay, if you had a strategy, what would your strategy be?
I would send 1 over here to make it 7, 7 plus 1.
Okay.
1 is the easiest.
Okay. Put those back up there for me.
Mm-hmm.
You did already? Okay. Okay, I'm going to put 8 counters under this piece of paper. And I'm going to put 5 counters under this piece of paper. There's 8 and 5. How many counters are there altogether?
13.
13. How did you know there was 13?
First, I mentally put 2 over here into here, making it easy, 10 plus 3.
Okay, so you moved 2 from the 5
Mm-hmm.
to make 10 plus 3.
Mm-hmm.
And that equals 13. Okay? Look at these task cards now. Okay. How many cups are in each row?
5.
5. How many rows do you see?
6.
How many cups are there altogether?
30.
30. How did you know?
I did 6 times 5.
6 times 5. Okay.
So there was 5 cups in each row, 6 rows.
Okay. Look at this one right here. You have 25 chairs. 1/5 of the chairs need to be around each table. How many chairs will you put around each table?
5.
5? How'd you know it was 5?
Because what I did was, in my mind, I distributed the chairs equally onto each table.
Okay.
5 on one table, 5 on another table, 5 on another table, 5 on another table, 5 on another table. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25.
Okay, so you distributed them equally by 5s.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So I got the final number 25.
Okay. Let's look at task number 6. Lena counted 82 yellow-eyed penguins on the beach. Later, there were only 47. How many penguins had swum out to sea?
35.
35? How'd you get 35?
First, I subtracted 2 away from 80.
So you did 80 minus 2.
Mm-hmm.
And what did that equal?
80.
I mean, 82 minus, yeah, sorry, you did 82 minus 2, and that gives you 80, okay?
Mm-hmm. And then I minus 30 to get 50.
So 80 minus 30 to get 50, okay?
50 minus 3 to get 47.
50 minus 3 get 47. So how did you get the 35 then?
I used the numbers that I subtracted away from the 82, like 3, 2, and 5. 3 to 30. So I first then did 3 plus 2, which equal 5. 30 plus 5, 35.
7. Katie has 6 packets of biscuits. There are 15 biscuits in each packet. How many biscuits does Katie have?
90.
How'd you know it was 90?
So I know that 15 times 2 equals 30. So what I did was take away 2 to know it equal 30. 30, 30, 30. 30 plus 30, 60. 60 plus 30, 90.
Okay. Let's try task number 8. Okay, it says Gerald planted 40 apple trees. 3/10 of them were destroyed by a storm. How many apple trees did he lose?
12.
12. Okay, how did you know it was 12?
Because what I did was I knew that it was out of tenths. So since there was 40 apple trees, I knew that it would be going by 4s.
Okay.
So
Because it was tenths. And there were 40. You knew they were going to buy 4s, okay?
and then I did 4 times 3. And 4 times 3 equals 12.
Okay. Okay. Let's look at task number 9. The ceiling is 2.3 meters high. The bookcase is 1,845 millimeters high. How high in meters is the space between the bookcase and the ceiling?
And I did 20.3.
I'm sorry?
920.3.
How'd you get 920.3?
I cut them. I cut the numbers all in half.
What numbers in
Knowing
half did you put?
1,845.
Okay, why did you cut 1,845 in half?
Because of the 2 and 2.3, I cut them in half.
Okay.
And
Okay. Let's look at task number 10. Andre has ordered 81 tennis balls. They are in cans of 3 balls. How many cans should there be?
27.
27? How'd you get 27?
Because 3 times 20 equals 60. 3 times 7, 21. 60 plus 21 equals 81. Then the 20 plus 7 equals 27. Are you
Okay.
lost?
I got it.
Okay.
So you did 3 times 20 to equal 60, and then the 3 times 7 to equal 21. Why did you do the 3 times 20 to equal 60?
It will help me round closer to it.
What number were you trying to get closer to?
81.
81. Oh, okay. So you got to the 60, and then you figured out that,
It'll help me get closer to that 81.
okay. 27. Okay. Task number 11. 3 boys share 2 pizzas equally. 8 girls share 6 pizzas equally. Who gets more pizza, a boy or a girl?
A girl.
A girl? How'd you know that?
Because The boys, in my mind, I made them cut their pizza in thirds,
Okay.
so they could each get 2/3. This boy got 2/3 of this pizza. This boy took 1/3 of that pizza, and 1/3 from this pizza.
Mhm.
And this boy got the rest of the 2/3
Okay.
of the 3/3.
Then what about the girls?
And the girls, I got 3/4 because this girl will take 3/4. This girl will take 1/4 of the leftover from here and take 2/4 from here. This girl will take 2/4 and 1/4 from there, and this girl would have the 3/4 left. This girl will take 3/4, and leaving 1/4 left for her to take, and 2/4 from here. This girl will take the 2/4, take the 1/4 also from here, and this girl will take the remaining 3/4.
So each girl got 3/4. And so the girl has more because
3/4 is bigger than 2/3.
Okay. Let's look at this one right here. Task number 12. Gasoline costs 210.9 cents a liter, and your car takes 40 liters. Will you be able to fill up on your $85 budget?
Yes.
Okay, how do you know?
I kind of don't know.
Kind of don't know? Okay, so you're guessing.
Sorry.
That's okay. That's okay. Let's look at task number 13. It takes an equal 6 hours to clean 14 cars. Each car takes the same time. How long will it take him to clean 21 cars?
Nine hours.
How'd you get 9 hours?
Because if you cut 14 in half, it would also cut the hours in half. Meaning that it would only take 3 hours to clean 7 cars.
So you did 14 in half to get how many cars?
7.
7 cars. 6 in half and got you
3 hours.
3 hours.
So I now know that 7 cars take 3 hours.
Okay.
So then, when I just went back to the 6 hours and 14 cars, added another 7 on it, to add another 7 to 14, and add another 3 hours to the 6 hours, to get 9 hours, 21 cars.
Okay, why did you add the 7 to the 14?
So I could get 21.
So that's the 21 cars.
Mm-hmm.
And then you said you added 3
3
to
hours.
6.
So know that because it takes 3 hours to clean 7 cars.
Okay, so that's where you get your 9 hours from there.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Anthony.
Mm-hmm.